Hey guys, Nisi here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook retargeting pixel on your ClickFunnels landing page. This will allow you to collect a targeted pool of audience who clicked on your website but decided not to take action, decided not to buy from you. Maybe they were distracted or maybe they needed more time. After you collect this pool of audience, what you can do is you can customize campaigns specific to these audience and follow these people on the Facebook with your offer on the fraction of the cost it would take you to acquire them on the first place. They say that it's 70% cheaper to retargeting ad than to do an original ad, so you can see the potential there. So what is a pixel? Pixel is a small snippet of code that Facebook will provide you that you would need to put on your landing page. So what happens is once you set up this code on your landing page, it will allow Facebook to collect all the data it needs from the visitor of your landing page. So let's go to Facebook.
So this is my Facebook page for AskNisi.com website, my website. So when you come to your business page or your personal page, you see this menu. If you click on this arrow sign, you'll see Manage Ads. If you do not have a business manager account, set it up because it's very easy to do and it's free. So if you have a personal Facebook account, you can set up your business manager account from there. There is very easy instruction how to do that. Once you're set up with the business manager account, when you come to your personal page or business page, you'll see this option called Manage Ads. When you click here, you'll go to your ad page. So to get the pixel, this is your general ad page where you create campaigns. But that's not where we want to go. We want to get the pixels. So you click on this menu, this hamburger menu, Ads Manager. Um, Under Measure and Report, you see pixels. You click here. So if you have never set up a pixel with Facebook, then it will give you a message saying your pixel is not active, and it will give you an instruction how to set it up like this. I already have the pixel set up, so I'm just doing some additional steps. But if you're new, you will see option somewhere that says activate your pixel or install pixel, and when you click that, you will see this window. So it gives you three options to install the pixel. One is connect a partner platform. This video is not about this, so we won't talk about this in detail. We are going to manually install pixel ourselves, so we are going to select this option. The third option is you can even uh, if you have a developer of your website, you can even email the instruction to your developer and they can do it for you, but we'll do it manually right now. So when you click here, it'll give you the instructions. So we have to locate the header code. I'll show you how to locate it. And then we have to copy this pixel. So let's copy this, copy to clipboard, then go to your ClickFunnel account and select the funnel you want to put the pixel for. So this is the funnel that I want to put the pixel on. There are two ways to set up the pixel here. One is to set it up on the main page of that funnel. What that will allow you to do is that will allow you to track or collect the visitors who visit any of these steps in this funnel. But the second option is you can choose to have the pixel on specific steps. So you can have it on your opt-in page or on your thank you page. I'll show you both ways. So let's put it on this main page, kind of a universal tracking for all the steps. So how you do it is when you select the funnel, you'll see a page like this. You click on settings, and you go a little bit down. You see here head tracking code and body tracking code. Since Facebook asks you to put it on the head section, we are going to put that pixel here. I've already put the pixel. I'm just going to delete it just to show, and be very careful not to change the pixel in any way. So you will have a section like this blank. So you just paste Control B, the pixel you copied from Facebook. That's it, done. And don't forget to save and update settings. So when you do that, you have the Facebook pixel set up for the entire funnel steps. So the second option is to put the pixel on only one step. So let's say I want to put the retargeting pixel only on the opt-in page. So what I do is I click on opt-in, I go to edit page, settings, and then tracking code. Then you see this header code section, you just click here and then you paste the pixel here. Done. Exit. Don't forget to save. So that is it. It's very easy to do. Now, how do you know that your pixel is active? Is one, you can check your manager account, events manager account, and you'll see it says active. That means your pixel is now active and start collecting audience. The second is, I think this is a very useful extension, Facebook Pixel Helper. So what it does is, so it tells you if any of the Facebook pixel is being fired on this particular page. Let's visit this landing page. See here, 1. That means the pixel that I put here is working. It, it was fired when I visited this landing page. So that is another way you can tell if your pixel is active or not. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified with my new videos. So, and please put your comments. Let me know what you want to see. If there is any specific thing you want me to make a video on, just let me know. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye bye.